How to close savings account in Bank of America. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. There are various ways on how you can close the savings account in Bank of America. First, in person. You can visit the nearest Bank of America branch and request the bank representative to close your savings account. Fill out an account closure form and transfer your balance. Ensure your address and contact information is correct before leaving the bank. Second, on your phone. Alternatively, call the Bank of America customer service and request the agent to close your account. Transfer your balance to another account before making the call. Additionally, have your account number on hand. Once you have done these, call Bank of America customer service to close your Bank of America savings account. Third, via email. Conversely, you can send a letter to Bank of America requesting them to close your savings account. Include your name, address, and account number. Also include your balance and how you want it transferred. Finally, sign the letter and send it to Bank of America. So, this is how you can close savings account in Bank of America. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.